If you're about to spend your hard-earned money on a drone in 2026, stop. Because right now, there are over 200 drones under $500 on Amazon, and at least 80% of them are complete garbage that will leave you frustrated, out of money, and filming footage that looks like it was shot on a potato. But don't worry, I've done the homework for you. I've analyzed sales data, real customer ratings, specs, and actual flight performance to bring you the only list you need. The top 15 drones under $500 for beginners in 2026. And I'm going to tell you exactly which one you should buy, and which ones will waste your money. But first, let me tell you the #1 mistake that literally every beginner makes. Okay, mistake number 1. Buying a drone over 249 grams without realizing you need FAA registration and remote ID. In 2026, the rules are stricter than ever. So the golden rule, and this is non-negotiable, look for a drone under 249 grams. Every single drone on today's list meets this requirement. You can literally throw it in your backpack and fly without paperwork. Now, here's my 3-tier buying framework. Tier 1, under $140. You get GPS, basic 4K, and smart flight modes. Good for learning. Tier 2, $185 to $385. This is where things get serious. You're getting Sony sensors, 3-axis gimbals, and real image stabilization. Tier 3, $370 to $500. This is DJI territory. Premium build, OcuSync transmission, and footage that looks genuinely cinematic. All right, let's get into the list. We're counting up from 15 to 1, and I promise you, #1 is going to surprise you. Starting at number 15, the SJsharp LCD screen drone. This one comes with a built-in 2.8-inch screen on the controller, so you don't even need your phone. It's got 4K, foldable design, propeller guards, and it's ultra-portable. It's a solid entry point if you literally want the cheapest way to get in the air with a screen. Number 14, the Nafire N11 Pro at $109.99. This thing comes with 3 batteries for up to 66 minutes of flight time, GPS auto return, follow me mode, and brushless motors. For $110, that battery package alone is insane. Over 400 people bought this last month. Number 13, the Curated RC GPS drone at $111.14. This one stands out because of its 4.5-inch HD screen built right into the controller. That's a bigger screen than drones costing 3 times as much. It's got Follow Me, Orbit Mode, and GPS Auto Return. 300+ buyers last month can't be wrong. Number 12, the Odire HK11 at $119.99. This drone packs a 4K UHD camera with 90-degree adjustable lens, GPS Auto Return, waypoint flight, orbit fly, and 2 batteries giving you 48 minutes of flight. It's using a more powerful 7.7-volt battery compared to the typical 7.4-volt, which means better durability. Over 1,000 bought last month. Number 11, the Holystone HS175D at $127.49. Holystone is one of the most trusted budget drone brands, and this one delivers 4K footage, GPS auto return, follow me, circle fly, waypoint flight, and 2 batteries for 46 minutes. It's got over 7,600 ratings and 500+ buyers last month. This is the safe pick in the budget tier. And number 10, the Chubori G9 at $139.99. This one gives you a 4.5-inch HD screen controller with a built-in 32GB SD card. That means you literally unbox it, turn it on, and start flying and recording immediately. 3 batteries, 90 minutes total flight time, GPS, and EIS stabilization. 500+ buyers last month. Now we're getting into the sweet spot. Number 9, the Potensic Atom SE at $185.69. This is where Potensic gets serious. It's using a 1/3-inch Sony CMOS sensor, 4K at 30 FPS, electronic image stabilization with their proprietary Shake Vanish technology, 4 kilometers of transmission range with PicSync 2.0, and 2 batteries for 62 minutes. This drone has over 6,600 ratings and 400+ buyers last month. For under $190, the Sony sensor alone makes this worth it. Number 8. The V918 Max drone at $259.99. This is brand new on Amazon, and it's already making waves. It's got a 5-inch HD display on the controller, the biggest screen on this entire list. 50 minutes of flight time with two 3,000 mAh batteries, 3-kilometer control range, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance for indoor flying. If you want a built-in screen and obstacle avoidance, this is the one. Number 7. The Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo at $324.99. This is a massive step up. We're talking a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor. That's bigger and better. 8K photo capability, 48 megapixel stills, 4K HDR video at 30 FPS, a real 3-axis mechanical gimbal, not just electronic stabilization, 10 kilometers of transmission with PixSync 4.0, AI tracking with spotlight, follow, and parallel modes, and AI night shot. 3 batteries give you 96 minutes.
300 plus buyers last month and a 4.5-star rating. This drone punches way above its weight class. Number 6. The DJI Mini 4K Fly More Combo at $293.55. Yes, a DJI drone under $300. This is the entry point into the DJI ecosystem, and it comes with 3 batteries for 93 minutes, a 3-axis gimbal, 4K UHD, 10 km OcuSync transmission, and quick shots. 2,000 plus buyers last month. This is the cheapest way to get genuine DJI reliability. Okay, now we're in the big leagues. Number 5. The DJI NEO Motion Fly More Combo at $369. This drone is completely different from everything else on this list. It weighs only 135 grams, lighter than your phone, and it can take off from your palm. No controller needed. It follows you, it tracks you, it shoots 4K stabilized video, and it comes with DJI Goggles N3 and the RC Motion 3 controller for immersive FPV flying. 3 batteries included. This is the ultimate vlogger drone. Number 4. The Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo with the RC PTD1 controller at $492.99. This is the same drone as number 7, but with a massive upgrade. The PTD1 remote with a built-in 5.5-inch 1080p touchscreen at 700 nits brightness. That's brighter than most phones. It also comes with ND and CPL filters for cinematic color control, a remote control strap, and a screen protector. 3 hours of controller runtime. This is Potensic's answer to DJI's premium remote, and at under $500 with all those accessories, it's genuinely impressive. Number 3. The DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo at $499. With nearly 15,000 ratings and a 4.7-star score, this is one of the highest-rated drones on all of Amazon. It's got OcuSync 2.0 for 10 km transmission, 4K video, 12 megapixel photos, 4x digital zoom, level 5 wind resistance, and quick shots. 3 batteries, 31 minutes each. This is the drone that proved the sub-250-gram category could be truly capable. And number 2, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo at right around $500. This is currently the number 1 best-selling drone in the entire hobby RC quadcopter category on Amazon. Over 7,100 ratings, 4.5 stars, 2,000 plus buyers last month. It adds vertical shooting for social media, 38 minutes per battery, that's 114 minutes with 3 batteries, 10 km video transmission, and the DJI RC controller with a built-in screen. If you want the most popular drone under $500, this is it. Okay, so what's the number 1 drone under $500 for beginners in 2026? It's the DJI Mini 4K Fly More Combo at $293.55. Here's why. It gives you 90% of the experience of the Mini 3 at barely 60% of the price. You get the same 3-axis gimbal, the same 10 km OcuSync transmission, the same quick shots, the same 4K footage, and 3 batteries for 93 minutes. The only thing you're really giving up is vertical shooting and a few minutes of flight time per battery. For a beginner, that trade-off is a no-brainer. You save over $200 and get the full DJI ecosystem: the DJI Fly app, the reliability, the community, the accessories. This is the drone I would buy for myself if I were starting fresh in 2026. Before you go, 3 quick bonus tips. Tip 1. Always buy the Fly More combo if it's available. The extra batteries alone are worth more than the price difference. Tip 2. Download the DJI Fly app directly from DJI's website. It's been removed from Google Play. Tip 3. No matter which drone you pick, practice in an open field for your first 5 flights. Trust me. If this video saved you money, and it literally could save you hundreds, smash that like button, subscribe to Top Gadget Trends, and tell me in the comments which drone you're picking. I read every single comment. Click the link in the description for updated prices on all 15 drones. I'll see you in the next one. Keep flying smart.